Good afternoon, students. So today I brought you chapter 6 of a computer subject, that is Adobe Flash Professional CS5. So Adobe Flash Professional CS5 is an authoring tool that you can use to create presentation, application and other contents that respond to user interaction. So Adobe Flash is a presentation cum application software. It is both presentation as well as application software. So you can various types of tools are included in this software. You can do a tremendous number of things in these types of software. So its concept is very vast. So like for example Flash, for example animation, video contents, picture animation, projects, everything are included in Adobe Flash Professional CS5. Okay. In general, individual projects created with Flash Professionals are called application, even though they might only contain basic animation. So you can do individual projects also in Adobe Flash Professional. Also the professionals also can do this. They can also use these types of software. You can make media rich application by including pictures, sound, video, special effects. So you can give special effects, you can give sounds, you can put pictures, sounds, etc. Everything in these types of software. The SWF format is extremely well suited for delivery over the web because SWF files are very small and take little time to download. So nowadays SWF format is not used much because the downloading time of this type of software is very high. So nowadays these types of SWF format is not used. Flash projects often include extensive use of vector graphics. Vector graphics require significantly less memory and storage space than bitmap graphics. So vector graphics are nowadays used much because it takes less memory as compared to bitmap graphics. Okay, vector graphics takes less memory as compared to bitmap graphics. So vector graphics is used more. Using bitmap graphics is in Flash projects results in larger file size because each individual pixels in the image requires separate piece of data to represent it. And bitmap graphics, its storage is less, but when the datas are included in bitmap graphics, it takes a very large amount of space. So you can say probably the 50% space is covered up by this. Additionally, Flash allows you to select graphic elements and convert them into symbols, making them easier to reuse and further improving performance when SWF files are viewed online. So Flash allows you to select graphics elements and convert them into symbols. So this Flash, it helps you to select the graphic element and convert it into symbols. Okay, it converts into symbols or language, making them easier for you to use the software and also further improving the performance. It also improves the performance when SW files are viewed online. So if you use SW files, so then also you can use the Flash Professional CS5 software. So there are many types of advantages of Flash CS5. Number one advantage is more powerful graphics. It has a more powerful graphics as compared to other software. Number next is consolidated libraries. So many libraries are included in it. So for movies, for extra, for pictures, for videos, so many libraries are included in this CS5 software. Next, attractive designs. So many designs are there. So many effects are there. So animations are made, presentations are made attractively in these types of software. And next is ActionScript Wizard. ActionScript Wizard, that means it is also a type of wizard. So these types of wizard has came not few days. That means not many days ago. It is very new. These types of wizard. So it is also a type of, you can use these types of wizard in CS5 software. Next, font optimization. You can change the font. You can read the fonts. You can make your fonts. You can change the fonts at any time whenever you want. And also the last advantage is improvement in video importing. So you can import the videos from one place to another. So there is flexibility in it. So it is advantage in improving video. Okay, so I hope the basic concept of Adobe Flash CS5 is clear to you. So, and next time when I will come near you, so I will come with some different topics so that it becomes clear to you and easier for you. So, thank you.